think it's been more quality than quantity this year. Just some really good opportunities coming to the table, and it's all about personalization with photo products.
Highly personalized. It's just a reality of modern print.
We have over 3 days a lineup of about 31 speakers. They all talk about the power of print when it comes to personalization. This is one of the most successful public stage areas that I have seen at trade shows in a long time.
People come here to present the best of the best in the personalization area.
We're really passionate about bringing great design experience to end users and non-designers, and allowing the companies and printers to really empower their users to create great content, great signs, great anything that they want, apparel, stickers, anything that they need. And so we're excited to be talking with a lot of printers and pushing the industry forward.
There's a real energy and vibrancy and enthusiasm about the people attending the exhibition. That's kind of makes it really worthwhile, because you can have those really fun, engaging conversations.
Being in business, you tend to get a bit stale, so to see what's new, bring some new products and ideas back to your business, it's great for everyone.
If you want to stay on top of your game when it comes to personalization, you should probably be here.